The reflective practitioner can compare and contrast appreciative inquiry with action research, with problem solving. The key focus of problem solving is about identifying problems, the root causes of issues that they're experiencing in the classroom. And we can do this through various ways, through brainstorming the ideas around those problems and brainstorming solutions, trying them out in the classroom and then analysing the results. And there's a particular metaphor, an expression that we can use to describe this notion of problem solving for the reflective practitioner, and that's teaching involves problems which must be solved. Appreciative inquiry, in contrast to this, is looking at, well, what might be, what is a situation, what might be an improvement to what is perhaps already working very well. What creation can the individual teacher bring to their teaching, which will enhance it further? And therefore the metaphor here that the reflective practitioner can consider is teaching is a mystery, a journey that they're engaging with, which is exciting and interesting, that they're passionate about, and that they can embrace as a process. And so the reflective practitioner, using appreciative inquiry as a process for reflection, is therefore focusing on themselves when they're being exceptional, when things are going very, very well. And therefore reflective practice, from this point of view, focuses on making improvements, not to solve problems, but to enhance things further. And therefore it challenges the notions that tend to exist around practice, the deficit language that we tend to use, what needs to be improved because there's a problem there, and looking at it from a different point of view. And therefore, if we think about the 4D model of appreciative inquiry, it requires certain personality characteristics from the individual teacher. And one key aspect there is about having certain positive attributes that you can look at in your teaching, certain positive qualities that you're bringing to the classroom as a teacher. Examples of positive attributes might be about looking in detail at a particular lesson, at a particular point in time in your teaching when you were performing exceptionally well, where you were enjoying your teaching and the students not only were enjoying teaching but were experiencing higher levels of achievement. And therefore, this is a good starting point for appreciative inquiry. These positive attributes to build from are the core of appreciative inquiry. Another thing that the reflective practitioner can consider by using appreciative inquiry is to, in a way, have a wish list of how they would like things to develop, to improve. Because reflective practice is always about change, appreciative inquiry is always about transformation, about personal and organisational and professional change. And therefore, this personal attribute for the reflective practitioner is to have certain desires, certain wishes about how they want that change to occur, how they want that transformation to take place, and the benefits of that transformation. And so we can consider certain underlying benefits of appreciative inquiry. It's a very powerful process for an individual teacher, and it's powerful because it is very affirming of positive practice, and therefore builds confidence and generates motivation. It helps the individual build relationships within the school environment which are supportive and positive and positively constructive. And it enables then teachers to be heard in terms of their professionality, which helps teachers envisage improved futures where the strengths that they're identifying are building and building and building over time. It, as a process, allows teachers to be very particular about the contributions that they are making to their practice, choosing very carefully the positive changes which are going to enhance further the positive attributes which they've identified in their teaching. And the process of appreciative inquiry, because it's so supportive, gives teachers the will to act, provides motivation and encouragement to always move forward rather than focus on trying to solve problems. And it's very encouraging then, and this is a key aspect of appreciative inquiry, which the reflective practitioner can use to generate over time increasing levels of interest in the profession.